Are you there? Are you good? Okay. Today is not like any other day. It's not the normal day for me. I have just decided today, like other days I've been applying for job, looking for gigs as a photographer in my village. But do I take advantage of the village? So I had to take a bath, and that bath was supposed to take in the river. And my mind was just thinking about the mother nature around our area. It has a beautiful river, beautiful environment that you can record yourself without any harm or anyone disturbing you. So it's all about life, and life is like the river. It is flowing. It doesn't flow. But the difference between life and a river is that life starts from small to big. Even the same the river. But the way it flows, the river doesn't flow upward of the mountain, but it flows from the mountain down the valley to the ocean. And what about life? Life is start like a baby. You grow into a boy, into a man. Then you're an old man. And before I get old, I need to achieve my dreams. Recently, I've been applying for jobs in different parts of the world, especially in Kenya and other countries that even I cannot mention before God opens the door. So I just decided to give my body a break and go and have a beautiful shower in the river. It is one of its kind. You can feel the waves. You can feel the flow of the water. The beauty, the nature itself, the feeling that makes you wake up early in the morning. It is the same feeling that when you go to the river, it always gives you. I can't exchange this to anything, because stressing yourself about tomorrow, sometimes we don't have to worry about tomorrow, but tomorrow it will worry about itself. It doesn't matter. We will make it no matter how hard life is. I'm just proud of myself. I always send myself outside there, look for gigs, look for jobs. And God has been so faithful for me doing these things on my own. And I've been surviving on it. Yeah. Photography pays. Photography gives a life and a meaning. Find something to do with my life, because I find my meaning to it. So guys, find your meaning in it. So today, let us have a beautiful shower this river. Enjoy it. No one in Kenya can disturb you when you're at the river, washing yourself or bathing, because people don't care. People love it because it has been something since you were a baby. We used to wash in the river. Sometimes it's good to take a break from normal life and become a child. Yeah, it gives you a break of mind and thinking. Yeah, so guys, I love you. I know I don't get much views in my videos, but what matters to me is that I drop every time video, because one day things will change. And thank you for those who watch my video and have subscribed to my channel. God bless.